Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. Now, this should be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, here we are after weeks and weeks of worrying about the election. It is election day. And after just a wicked rally yesterday, I mean, far, far harder than I would have imagined yesterday. Just a nasty rally. We're off a little bit today. I think that's unshocking when you look at the way that we bounced. I mean, that was just nasty. 21 quarter, probably about right, probably a fair level. Wouldn't be surprised if we see volatility stay up a little bit, VVIX stay up a little bit, VIX stay a little higher. I think there's some good reasons for that. Meanwhile, if we look at VIX itself, it's up a point, and the futures are up a little bit too. They're not up nearly as much. The future expiring tomorrow is about 1770, and next week's future is up 50 cents. It's about 1690 after going down to 1640. Basically, if you look at the way markets are pricing, they are anticipating VIX falling 5 to 6 points tomorrow, at least. That is the way markets are pricing themselves right now. And you can kind of see that based on how everything is functioning. Now, if you look at what's moving, a lot of stocks off marginally a little bit. Some of the financials are lower. You can see JP Morgan, which was over 70, almost 70 yesterday, and Goldman, which had gotten over 180. Both a little bit lower after having huge buy-up days yesterday. IBM a lot lower. So a lot of the knee-jerk, huge buy, Hillary might win stocks are off a little bit today. But that being said, it's not like the vol futures are up that much. UVXY is barely moving. VXX is up a little bit. Looking at oil, it's kind of found a spot. Gold seems to have done the same after kind of rallying around, and against the euro, the dollar is a little softer today. Bonds are up. Back, TLT, IEF, long-term stuff is up, and there's definitely something there. We think volatility could really collapse tomorrow, but if Mr. Trump does win, VIX is going to go higher, whether it matters or not. And, traders should be aware that there are some setups. Volatility is really high in a lot of contracts. I mean, there are, things are expensive down to, there's a bid on the 12.5 puts. That's how much people are expecting downside to move or potentially upside. Right now the VIX is 20, and the 12.5, 28 strangle is 45 cents or 50 cents. That's how much movement the market thinks there's potential for. It's pricing in a potential 12% volatility, which is crazy. But that's kind of the way the market is lining itself up, the way things look. And, we're not entirely arguing against it. We think it should probably settle around 20. And if things go the way the market's expecting tomorrow, VIX, we could open up with a VIX with a 13 handle. That type of craziness is being priced in. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a good one.